In 1950, whilst on a lunch break, scientist Enrico Fermi asked a pivotal question to his colleagues. Where are they? What Fermi meant by this is, where are the aliens? If a multitude of advanced civilizations exist in the Milky Way galaxy, how come no evidence of spacecraft or radio transmissions have been found? This is the question that stemmed the development of something called the Fermi paradox. Let's take a closer look at this. The universe is very old, like very old, and during its lifetime, it's given rise to 2 trillion galaxies and 1 billion trillion stars. This means that there are around 10 to the power of 22 stars, from which 5% are sun-like, leaving 500 billion sun-like stars. From these 500 billion sun-like stars, 22% are Earth-like, leaving 100 billion sister Earths. Let's imagine that after all of these years of existence, 1% of the Earth-like planets develop life. Then imagine that 1% of those planets develop intelligent life. In order to categorize the different levels of technological advancement, we use something called the Kardashev scale. It is a measure of a civilization's technological advancement. We actually have over 7 civilizations, but anything over 3 is hard to conceptualize, so we go with Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3. Type 1 civilizations are civilizations that consume 10 to the power of 16 to 10 to the power of 26 watts. They can use all the energy that is available to them on their planet, including thermal, radiant, and chemical energy. Humanity actually hasn't even reached Type 1 yet, according to Carl Sagan's formula to categorize the intermediate values on the Kardashev scale. Let me explain this. K is the civilization's development and P is the available power in watts. In 2008, the global power consumption was 1.6 times 10 to the power of 13 watts. Substituting this into the equation gives us 0.72, which is less than 1. This means that we are not yet at Type 1 civilization. Type 2 civilizations. These are civilizations that consume 10 to the power of 26 to 10 to the power of 36 watts. They can harness all of their power from their local sun. They could achieve this by constructing a Dyson sphere. In order to build this megastructure, you would need mirrored solar panels around the Sun, Mercury, and Venus to convert light energy into electrical energy. Our Sun is not a very large star. There are stars that are much bigger and produce a lot more energy. This means that a civilization attaining energy from these stars will be insanely advanced. Type 3 civilizations. These are civilizations that can harness all the power available to them in their galaxy. So how come we have found no alien life? After all, Type 2 and Type 3 colonies would leave a lot of evidence. Introducing the Great Filter. Imagine you are trying to eat at a restaurant, but the waiter won't let you in as you don't have a reservation. In this case, the waiter is the filter, you are the civilization, and the reservation is the chance you have at surviving. It could be a possibility that civilizations in the past have hit this filter and died off, most likely due to civil wars. Since this is all a theory, it may be possible that a civilization has not yet passed the Great Filter. So, whenever you are looking at the stars above, remember, something might be looking back at you.